Hello, in this tutorial I will show you how to sell tickets on Gametime. Now, if your plans have changed and you can no longer attend an event, Gametime actually allows eligible tickets purchased through its platform to be released for sale. However, ticket resale is managed through the Gametime app. Now, the mobile website or a browser does not currently provide the full ticket selling workflow. Additionally, only eligible tickets can be released and the event must be more than 6 hours away. So launch the game app on your phone and sign in using the same account you used to purchase your tickets. Make sure that you're logged into the correct account, otherwise your tickets won't appear in your account. Remember, I said that this can only work if you're using the mobile application. Mobile application is restricted for countries such as the country I'm in. All right, that's because the app only operates in 3 countries. So I do not have access to the application, but let's say you do. All right, so head over to the mobile application, and of course you can get it on Apple Store and you can get it on Google Play Store. Inside, look at the bottom navigation menu and tap sell. So once you tap on sell, the section displays all tickets in your account that are eligible for resale. In the mobile browser, you can just go ahead and click on those 3 horizontal lines. It takes you here. You have BTS store, and under that you have my tickets, so you can just go ahead and click on my tickets to find all the tickets in your account. So now you have upcoming and you have past tickets, so you can discover all your tickets here. But in the mobile app, just tap sell. So if you don't see any tickets there, it usually means your tickets aren't currently eligible for resale. So once you find your tickets, just go ahead and tap add tickets to begin listing your tickets. Now, Gametime will automatically display any eligible tickets purchased through your account. If your tickets were delivered through another supported ticket provider, such as Ticketmaster or AXA, and are eligible, Gametime will guide you through the required transfer process. All right, so this is if you cannot find your tickets. Once you click on sell in the mobile app, go ahead and click on add tickets. Then here you should find my tickets or click on discover tickets for you to discover your ticket. So once you have found it, select the event and a specific ticket you like to list. If you purchase several seats but only want to sell some of them, you can choose individual seats. Keep in mind that when selling multiple tickets together, they generally need to be adjacent seats. So enter the amount you like to charge for each ticket, and Gametime may display price guidance, which suggests a competitive price based on similar tickets currently available, and this can help improve your chances of making a sale. So before continuing, you will also see your estimated payout after any applicable fees. So carefully review all the listing details, double check everything to ensure that it's accurate before publishing the listing. And when you're satisfied with the details, confirm and publish your listing. Your tickets will now appear on the Gametime marketplace for eligible buyers. And once your tickets are listed, all you have to do is wait. If someone purchases your tickets, Gametime will notify you by text or through your account. And after your tickets are successfully delivered to the buyer and event has taken place, Gametime sends you payout for the 8 hours after the event. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped you search.